Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the easy step-by-step process to log into your Substack newsletter account. Whether you're a new user or returning to manage your existing newsletter, this guide will help you get there quickly and efficiently. Follow these simple instructions to access your account effortlessly. 1. Visit the Substack website. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.substack.com and press enter. This will take you to the Substack homepage. 2. Locate the login button. Once you're on the Substack homepage, look for the login button. You can usually find this at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. 3. Enter your email address. On the login screen, you will see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Substack account. 4. Check your email for the login link. After entering your email, click the Login with Email button. Substack will send you a magic link to your inbox. Open your email client, locate the email from Substack, and click on the login link provided. 5. Access your dashboard. Once you've clicked the magic link, you will be redirected back to Substack, where you will have full access to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your newsletter, view subscribers, and create new posts. 6. Troubleshooting. If you don't receive the login email, check your spam or junk folder. Also, ensure that you entered the correct email address. If you're still facing issues, try logging in through a different browser or device. 7. Stay logged in. Optional. If you want to avoid logging in every time, consider selecting the option to stay logged in. This will allow you to access your account more quickly in the future. We hope this guide made the process of logging into your Substack newsletter account easy and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.